Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication or two-step verification on Paxful for added security. To enable two-factor authentication, first of all, launch open the Paxful application on your mobile device or go to paxful.com on a web browser and log into your account. Once you are in the home page of Paxful, click on your profile icon or the menu, which is usually at the top right or the left corner. This will open up the account page from where you'll need to scroll all the way down and get to the two-factor options. You will see three different options that you can enable two-factor authentication for. If you want to enable two-factor for login, tap on the two-factor for login option. Similarly, you can also enable two-factor authentication for transactions and for crypto release. Select any one authentication options that you'd like to set it for. Since I'm trying to secure my money into my account, I'm gonna go and tap on the two-factor for login option. After choosing one of these options, you will have to choose how you'd like to receive your verification code. You can choose via mobile application option or via email option. If you choose via email, you will receive a verification code via email every time you log in. If you choose via mobile application, you will need to enter a code from Google Authenticator or Authy every time you log in. I'm gonna choose via mobile application option. On the next page, it'll display you with a code. Tap the copy button to copy the code on your clipboard. And next, go ahead and download Google Authenticator or Authy app. You will be able to find these applications on your Google Play Store or App Store. Launch open your App Store or your Google Play Store and get to the search box. Type in Authy or type in Google Authenticator. Once you find this application, download it onto your device and launch it open. Now, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner once you log into Google Authenticator with your Google credentials. In the pop-up, tap on Enter a setup key. Inside your key, paste in the code. Go to Account Name tab at the top and type in Paxful so that you can recognize the code is for Paxful. After you do that, click on Add and your authenticator code will be saved. Now, you will need to enter the code generated from your Paxful account. Go back to Paxful app and tap on Next, and it'll ask you to enter the 6-digit code that has been generated on your Authenticator app. Type in the code that has been generated from your Google Authenticator app and you will then be able to enable two-factor authentication for logging in on Paxful. Each time you log in, you will need to enter the two-factor authentication code generated from your Google Authenticator app or your Authy app or even from your SMS via mobile device. This will provide an extra layer of protection for your Paxful account now. That is how you easily enable two-step verification on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.